Alrighty, guys, real quick. Chrysler, Aspen, guys. Y'all know what an Aspen is? I think the Durango took the Aspen place. Well, anyway, it was towed in, guess this, from another shop, guys. I'm guessing Cousin Pookie, okay? He's making some type of noise. All right, before I go into the shop, I want to see if I can hear this noise. Oh! Oh! Y'all hear that? Oh! Let me hurry up before something come apart. What in the hell? Now, I think they just did some cooling repairs on here, like a water pump and stuff. Oh my goodness. Guys, that's a new water pump. And guess what? It ain't Mopar, damn it. Cousin Pookie strikes a freaking again. Alright, now this is a 5.7 Hemi. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah. That pulley is bouncing around too much, guys. They use that's probably a Derman water pump. Yeah, don't use those Derman water pumps. Yeah, it's a couple of pulleys bouncing all over the place. See, my light is messed up. Y'all can't see it because I'm outside in the sun. Uh-oh, that looks like it's gonna come apart, guys. Yeah, let me shut this off. Oh, that's loud. All right, let me turn this damn thing off. So, the deal is, yeah, it just left Cousin Pookie. She says got some cooling work done, cooling flush, water pump. You know the regular. This thing got almost 200,000 miles. So it has done its purpose, served its time. What's the mile at? I'm out of focus. 236. Yeah, 236,000 miles, guys. So, like I say, it has served its time. But we need some decent parts in order to keep it on the road. In order to keep your vehicle on the road, guys, one must adhere to some decent parts. That decent part come in the form of Mopar parts. Like, say, for instance, I don't know if y'all can see this from here, but y'all see this battery? Look at these terminals. Garbage, okay? Look how flimsy that is. Garbage. If this was a new car, this would give them an electrical problem because this is an older model car. The electronics are not as sophisticated as this new stuff. The new stuff can't stand this, all right? The proper amount of amperage, load, and everything has to properly flow through these battery terminals in the post for the car's electrical system to function correctly, okay? So, yeah, there's no way in hell I'd use something like that, but this is an older car. It can withstand. In fact, I see screws in these. Those screws that I complain about all the time, yeah, they're okay for older cars because of the electronics. You can't brick this. This don't have a fully functioning, electronically controlled transmission, all right? Yeah, you can't brick this. So you can stick screws in there. You can use this. You can do all that foolishness, but not on the new stuff. So here's the deal, guys. I'm afraid to drive this in the shop. It might croak out on me. I need a decent part. I need a decent water pump. I need a Mopar OEM water pump. Okay, so let me go tell the proper authorities and see if they can. Now, here's the deal, guys. This is a quick diagnosis because it's a quick video. Here's what you should do if you're a mechanic or DIY. Remove the belt. Spin the pulleys. Okay, chances are with a noise like that, you will be able to tell which accessories. These are accessories. This is the AC compressor. That's the alternator, and so forth and so on. Spin their perspective pulleys, and if you hear bearing noise in one of those accessories, that is the fault right there. So from looking at this, I can tell I'm gonna get noise at the water pump. So technically, yeah, I'm talking like this on the video, but in reality, I'm gonna take it in the shop, let it up in the air, remove the belt, and do my thing. I just won't be able to record that part. So I'm just letting you know in advance. In fact, I can reach down here. Yeah, I'm moving the pulley back and forth. Yeah, the belt is on there holding it up against it, but yeah. We need a water pump, a OEM Mopar Hemi freaking water pump. All right, guys, that's all I have. I got to get out of here. Thanks for watching.